We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Another contemporary Hakka writer is Zong Tieming. Born in mainland China in 1941, after his father Zong Lihe was exiled there for marrying a woman of the same surname, Zong was crippled by tuberculosis of the spine at the age of 9. His first short story, Field, published 1 year after his father died of TB in 1960, brought him to the attention of Taiwan's literary circle. Heavily influenced by mainland writers of the 1940s and his father's farmer literature, Zong wrote about the effect of industrialization on agricultural society. The paralysis that had plagued his early years would have ended his writing career had it not been for the generous support of publishers, doctors, and writers who railed round, enabling him to have surgery. One might expect Zong's writing to be filled with self-pity and loathing for his crippled and wasted youth, but instead we find vitality and gratitude. A prolific writer, Zong is passionate about Taiwan. Through the foundation he started in his father's name, he has initiated ethnic literature programs within schools and environmental projects, and he has helped promote Hakka culture as a member of the Hakka Affairs Council. Hello everyone and welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Alice 啊，你的了哪个东西啊？
你的了哪个东西？你说什么？我听不懂。
对啊，没错啊。
什么东西？
玩什么？玩不是了吗？
玩什么东西要说你的搞嘛给东西
啊？真的吗？搞嘛给东西啊？搞嘛给东西，搞什么这样子那种感觉
？Oh no， 搞什么要讲说你的嘛给东西？
好复杂。Okay, we gotta explain this in English. What exactly just happened here? I was just trying to show off my Hakka.To tell her, I was asking her what was she playing in her hands. She has her cell phone over there, and I'm just asking her. I thought, 你了嘛给东西 is playing with something, but she says no, it's actually
你的搞嘛给东西。
你的搞嘛给东西 That means what are you playing with? Okay, 如果是手上在玩东西，
你的搞嘛给东西。
sounds like 你在搞什么东西 which means what the hell are you doing?
你的嘛给东西。
What the hell you're doing is 你的嘛给东西。Got it. And never say 你的了嘛给东西。Can't say that. Okay. I finally clarified it. Hope you did too. And thank you for listening to our Hakka lesson of the day.
我太嘎。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.